and she's like, "You're spending money on postcards," and she's like, "We're about to have a baby," and to her, she's like, "What is wrong with you, idiot? You don't know how to buy houses and you don't have money." But I got a deal off Craigslist. I got $1,100 for it. It got broken into twice after we had it under contract, and the chick moved to Alaska in the process. So it was basically we ended up getting the house for $700, and we made $2,200. I mean, it was the biggest life changing moment ever.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So is your wife a believer now?
She is. She is. She's able to quit her job. She's been staying home for 4 years now. So I mean, yeah, I hope so.
Well, at least she likes the rewards of it, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. She's not volunteering to go to work anytime soon, so there's that.
It's like, that's really cool to see though, because there's always the person that has the vision, right? And then everyone else looks at it and they're like, what are you doing? Like, why are you doing this? Because so many people are just trained for that 9 to 5 mindset where you grow up, you go to high school, you go to college, you get a good paying job, and you go work for somebody 9 to 5. And that same person that's literally gonna drop you in a heartbeat without even thinking about it. And the people that are wired to go and start a business like you did, I mean, that's really cool. And that you have a very similar mindset to me. And my wife had more of a similar mindset to your wife.
Security. They just want to be safe. That's all.
Right? I mean, I used to go to the auction steps at the courthouse, buy houses that are being auctioned, bringing in $300,000 of cashier's checks, emptying everything we had worked for, literally taking our savings account down to like $4,000. And she's like, what are you doing? You haven't even seen this house. You haven't even walked through it. I'm like, yeah, but it's going to make us money. And it's just hard to get people into that mindset. But once you do, the rewards, they definitely like it at that point and all of a sudden start buying in. So it's cool to see, wives buy into the mindset. And my wife knows I'm someone that takes a lot of risks. I won't gamble in Vegas. I won't put $1 on a table, but I will put $300,000 on a house, even if it's all I have without seeing it. So